Hey, how's it going? I'm really excited to bring this video to you guys today because believe it or not, this is not a clickbait title. In this video, I'm gonna show you the actual YouTube channel that I grew to over 20 million views and the sales funnel that I used to monetize that audience and turn that YouTube channel into a real business. And hopefully this video can help you make more money from your YouTube channel because money is fire and videos, there are lighters.
So welcome to the fire.
What's up guys, Augie Johnson here with vidchops.com, where we allow you to add an expert video editor to your team in just a few clicks. So if that sounds interesting to you, head over to vidchops.com. Otherwise, if you deal with any kind of online video, then go ahead and join our community by clicking the subscribe button below. So before we go and hop onto the computer and I show you step by step every single page and everything, even the traffic source, I'd like to talk a little bit about what are all the pieces of a sales funnel and what a sales funnel is. And hey, if you want to know my dirty little secret on how I like to send traffic off of YouTube, then go ahead and click the little note that's on the screen right now and I will show you in that video. A sales funnel is a sales process that you put your website visitors through in order to convert them into customers. Kind of the difference between a traditional website and a sales funnel is that sales funnels are based upon landing pages. Instead of having a website with all these different places that they can click to, your blog and all these other things, a sales funnel is comprised of these pages that really only have one button on the whole page that you can click, and when you do click it, you enter their sales funnel or you purchase or whatever it is. So the sales funnel we're going to be talking about in this video is an opt-in funnel, which allows us to build our email list and convert people into buyers. But Augie, what are all the different pieces included in a sales funnel? Hey, glad you asked. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 8 different steps of the sales funnel process so that you can learn exactly how to set it up for yourself. So the first thing you need is a traffic source. That meaning, where is your traffic coming from? In this instance, we're talking about YouTube traffic, which could also be considered organic traffic because people are seeing our videos, clicking our links, and then going to our sales funnel. Other traffic sources could be like Facebook ads or Google ads or maybe Google search traffic. All these are different types of traffic sources, but the ones that we're talking about is organic YouTube traffic in this video. And that search traffic on Google and that search traffic on YouTube is some of the most valuable traffic that you're gonna find. Because a lot of times there's search intent behind that traffic, so people are searching for solutions and your video can be presented to them as the solution. The next thing is a lead magnet, and that's basically a free giveaway that you can give away to your audience, and it's gotta be something that they want, that's gonna help deliver value to them, and something that would encourage somebody to enter their email or their phone number and kind of join your community just to get that lead magnet. This could be a PDF, it could be a video, there's a lot of different things, but we're not gonna dive too deep into each thing, but that's the next step, is you want to create a lead magnet. The next thing to do is to create an opt-in page, also known as a squeeze page, which is just a page where they can enter their email or phone number to get that lead magnet. And these pages, we'll look at one here in just a bit, are normally very minimal. So after people enter their email, they're gonna join your newsletter. So that means that you need an email follow-up series that's going to kind of re-engage them, build a relationship, and ultimately pitch them a product. You're also gonna need a thank you page for when people enter their email and hit that submit button. And we'll look at my example. There's multiple ways you can do this. You can actually present an offer to them, like a paid product right on that next page, or you can just have a generic thank you page, or you can deliver the lead magnet. And the next thing you're gonna need is a sales page. And the sales page is gonna actually have that button that you can click to enter your credit card information and purchase. And with my company, I had over 11 products, so I had 11 different sales pages. We'll take a look at 1 or 2 today. Just 2 more things I'm gonna include in this opt-in sales funnel, and the next one is upsells. Okay, so after someone does purchase and they do enter their credit card information, is there something else that you can offer them that's going to deliver more value, help them in their journey, help them reach their goals? That would be an upsell, and that happens right after they hit that submit button on their credit card. The next page normally says, hey, I got this one-time offer, and that would be the upsell page. And the very last part of this sales funnel and most sales funnels is a customer follow-up email series. So someone purchases, now they should be put on another list where they're getting emails to them that could potentially pitch the upsell product if they didn't buy, or could just, help them use the product that they've already purchased. Okay, I hope that brought clarity to all the things that I'm about to show you right now as we dive deeper into the exact sales funnel that I use. All right, guys, here we are on my old channel, which has kind of been on commission since I kind of got burnt out, but that's a whole nother story. So here's what it is. It's basketball training content where we would sell basketball training programs, okay? So almost like a course, but like a basketball training program that helps you improve your ball handling, shooting, and all that kind of stuff. So like I said, the first step of the sales process is to get traffic. So you need a traffic source. So let's talk a little bit about how this was my traffic source. So if I click over to a video like this, just a typical video here, 4 crossover moves, crazy combos, about 250,000 views. It's pretty old now, but anyway, still getting views. If you scroll to the end of my video, you'll see this end card pop up here, which has this link right here. And this is the link to the next step of the sales funnel, which is the squeeze page or the lead magnet. So this is a PDF and a video that is behind a certain page. So if I click it, you'll see that it takes me to this page, which is the next step of the funnel, which is the squeeze page, where I have a headline, a sub headline, a graphic, and then just enter your first name and your email address. So it's called a squeeze page because there's not a lot of other ways for people to click around. And so it's supposed to kind of squeeze the information out of them without, allowing them to click. This is a very basic squeeze page, but also a very high converting one. This one converts around 35 to 40% on organic YouTube traffic. And with Facebook ads, I found this to convert somewhere around like 18 to 22% for cold Facebook traffic. Kind of the main thing about this page that I like, and kind of one that makes this more of a proven one, is this background image where you have the eyes directed at the headline. This is a classic squeeze page here that many people have used, and one that I just really like. The next thing we talked about was an email series, but I'm not gonna dive in too much into that, but you wanna tell stories in your emails that in the end take a person from A to B, A being before the results, B being after the results, and stories can do that very well. So let's go ahead and just fill out this information, and it will take us to the thank you page. I'm just gonna fill out a fake email. So this is going to be the thank you page. And like I said, there's different ways to do this. You could make this say like, hey, thanks for entering your email. Please check your email to get a download link to the free workout, or something like that, where you don't deliver it. You could also say, hey, thank you, check your email, but before you go, we have this one-time offer for you, like an upsell type thing. I found that to work as well, but in the end, I just went with this simplicity here of delivering the lead magnet up front. They can download the PDF right here. And I do have a link right here to the paid premium program that I sell that's called the Scoring Academy. So people can consume this content. Like I said, this is a workout. It's just a 10-minute video. You can see the PDF is just right here with the different workouts. And then I'll go ahead and click down here, which will show you what is the kind of the next thing we're going to talk about, which is the sales page. So here we are on the sales page, where you can see I'm selling a $67 product. There's also a sales video here. If I scroll down, there's graphics, there's some copy, some testimonials. And the thing about this is that this is kind of more of a VSL type sales page, where I have a 14-minute long video that's going to do the selling. So I don't have a lot of sales copy on here, but I just have a few of the other important elements, such as like, a money back guarantee, the testimonials, which brings social proof, and stuff like that, the graphics, the e-covers. But yeah, this is the product that I sell for $67. And what happens is if you do click here, you can purchase this. And if you purchase, it's going to take us to the next step of the funnel, which is an upsell. So here is the upsell page. And you can see it's just a headline with a video that's going to pitch, which is actually a 14-day free trial of a $19 a month program or product. So yes, this is a monthly subscription, and I can click over to here to show you kind of like the other sales page that I have for it, which is the same thing, a VSL with some graphics, but this is just a very basic thing that would, you know, pitch this $19 a month product. And let's just say that someone does purchase the Scoring Academy, but not the monthly subscription. They just kind of deny it as they go through the process. Well, that's where the customer follow-up sequence comes in. So if you purchase this, you're going to get put on another email list that's going to help you get through this program and kind of get the most out of this program, as well as, you know, pitch if you didn't purchase this monthly subscription as well, to try to get them into this program that offers, you know, jumping higher, running faster, getting stronger, which is different from this product, which is just shooting, ball handling, finishing, and kind of that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's it. It's kind of an automated process. As soon as somebody, you know, views my video, clicks that link, enters their email, if they purchase, there's other automations that happen, but in the end, it allows you to deliver more value to your audience and give them stuff. And it's kind of just like a Patreon, right? So it's a different kind of way of doing a Patreon account where you're building a more of a business. You're owning that email list, you're owning that traffic, and you should try it if you don't have one. All right, guys, I hope you guys liked that video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, subscribe. Why haven't you subscribed? All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.